The center was answering the questions specifically raised by the Honorable Chief Justice on the last hearing. The judge had specifically asked the center to give an affidavit and explain on certain data points to prove that the sanctity of either the entire exam was compromised or it was certain pockets, certain beneficiaries, which are very few in number, which can therefore be segregated from the entire group so as to not have to cancel the entire exam. The learned SG appeared and the center has filed an affidavit and they're claiming based on all the questions that were raised have been answered in the counter affidavit, and they're saying that it was not the entire exam sanctity that's been compromised. They're saying there is no need for a re-NEET. They're saying the paper leak has not happened everywhere. Even if it has happened in certain pockets, that is subject to a separate investigation by the CBI, and that should not affect this paper. Those mischief makers, the beneficiaries, can be segregated. That's broadly what he's saying right now.
So some students want a re-NEET while some do not. How do you see this and the centers stand on this?
I mean, I completely understand that the one group that wants a re-NEET is the one that believes that if there is a leakage on Telegram, it could not have been segregated, it could not have been limited to a certain pocket of the country. While the Chief Justice also says that we should segregate this and we should not be able to hurt both parties. There is a significant group, most of which are not even in court, who may not be comfortable with the amount of time, money, resources and effort spent in writing an exam, and they may not be willing to repeat it. But we'll just see. I think the test is very valid and very correct, that we have to prove if the sanctity is compromised or not. And we leave it to the honorable judges of the court to come to a fair conclusion here.
So now the next hearing will be
18th July, the next Thursday. It's gone to 18th July. We'll have a detailed hearing from both sets then.